Please hold on to the handrails. The next stop is Terminals A and B.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer, and welcome to the future of Central Florida traffic. This automated people mover system is the latest in high-tech engineering that is designed to create seamless ground-air transportation, providing you with the Orlando experience.
Well, certainly going pretty slow. There you go. And I'm picking up speed. Nice. It's right in from the new Terminal C with the new parking garage. It's a little bit cheaper too, like $2. So it'll save me 20 bucks for the holiday. And it takes you to Terminals A and B, so it should be a pretty easy thing. You know, it probably takes an extra 3 to 4 minutes, you know, to get maybe 5 minutes to get back. And you know, the new Terminal C is pretty large, so it's gonna make the Orlando Airport a lot nicer. You know, it's not very close, but the tram sure makes quick work out of the trip back, so it's pretty cool. For me, traveling every week is going to make a slight difference since I can come to this parking garage and find parking a lot easier. So I don't have to worry about the garages being full all the time. And at the same time, it's a couple of dollars cheaper, so parking 30, 40 times a year here, you know, is going to save a little bit of money for the business too. So it's pretty cool. So we're almost at the end of the ride here. We're gonna get to the terminal, and it's just kind of a long ride. I would say it's probably about a mile and a half. I guess maybe it takes around a minute and a half, 2 minutes, I suppose. Here comes the other one. Kind of slows down, and you can see the terminals on the opposite side. But this is more about the tram and the new service. It's pretty cool. For me, I think it's going to be a pretty good deal. You know, it's stress-free parking. Find it quickly, easily, and then just take the new tram back to the terminal and find my way to my airline. You know, not a big deal. Pretty cool. Because about myself, because it's not exactly a popular place yet. Everybody still goes to the bulk parking, but here, I mean, it's just superb. You know, it's really good, excellent. Give it a try.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. When the 8 p.m. stops, please exit to Terminals